Hello Year 4. Now today we are going to be ordering decimal numbers, which builds on our knowledge from yesterday where we were comparing decimals and numbers. So to start us off, I'm going to leave us with a question to get us going straight away. We're going to work through this one together. The question says that we need to order these numbers in descending order, and they are 0.8, 0.7, 1.1 and 0.4. Now, before you start answering that question, you may find that you don't understand fully what it's asking of you because the word descending might be new to you. So it's very important that you fully understand what all parts of the question are, and for this case you need to know what the word descending means. Now, descending means going downwards. It's a movement downwards. So if we're going downwards, we know that we need to start our ordering of these numbers with the highest value number out of the four. To do this, a really clever way to help us is once again by placing our numbers in a place value grid. In this slide here, I have done all the numbers, all four numbers, in one place value grid and labelled them ones and tenths because that is the value of the numbers. Now, to order them, we need to figure out which number is the largest. So we can look carefully in the ones column, and I've highlighted the largest value number in red. That is 1. So 1 is the largest number we have, meaning that 1.1 is the first one in our order. Now, if you look at the remaining numbers, the value of the number in the ones column is all the same. They all come in at 0, so they all have equal value. Now, if two or more numbers have equal value, it's very important that you move across one column to the right and see which number has the largest value in that particular column. And in this case, that is the tenths column. So you will see that if you look down, 8 tenths is the highest value, so 0.8 will be the next in our order. And we can continue like that as the slides show. You look next, 0.7 will be the next number down before finally we reach 0.4. So, with that knowledge, I would like you to have a go ordering these numbers in ascending order. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the word ascending means. I want you to inference what that means if you now know what descending means. Hopefully you inference that ascending means going upwards because you know that descending means going downwards. And hopefully when answering this question, you once again used a place value grid. Now in this instance, we are looking for the lowest value number to start us off with. So if you look in the ones column, you will see that in this case, the lowest value number is 2. So 2.6 would begin our order. And like before, if you then see two or more numbers of equal value in a particular place value column, so in this case there are 3 threes in the ones column, you move across to the next column across and you'll see which number is next on the list by looking in the tenths column. So hopefully you got the answer correct on this one, because coming up now is an even trickier question. But again, if you use your understanding of place value grids, this question will actually be easy. How did you do? Because once again, if you use a place value grid and your understanding of place value, this question should have been fairly simple. So if you look at the grid that I've made here, you'll notice that every number has the same value in the ones column. So every number is worth 3 ones. If you move across to the tenths, we're looking again for the lowest valued number here to start us off. You'll see that 2 of our numbers are worth 2 tenths. So again, we have more than one number, or 2 or more numbers, sorry, of the same value. So we now have to move across to the next column, the hundredths column, to see that one of our numbers has 2 hundredths, where the other has 0 hundredths. So we know that 3.2 will start our order off. And you'll see the answer below. So that's kind of what we're looking for today. Give it your best shot there, Year 4. Again, using place value grids are really useful. It's easy to draw out, but it will make your life a lot easier doing this task. And I wish you the best of luck.